guys, good morning. This is John Sail, crossing Olango Channel from Mactan Island to Olango. Sobrang bilis. Parang hindi lang 53 52. Ew! Sobrang bilis ni sir. This one, sir. Malapit na po kami sa gitna, pero wala pang 30 minutes, almost 20 na lang. Go sir, bilis. Okay, halfway na kami. So we're here in the middle of Olango and Mactan Channel. And may barko pa. May barko. Sunrise. Yeah, we made it. It's almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes swim. Time check 6:40. Nigikan mig 5:10. Grabe. Paspas kusog tunay.